Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas Model Garage's video. I thought I'd do a unboxing on this beautiful Revell Ford Escort XR3. This is a original kit, not a remake. No. This features a European Ford Escort XR3 body, open hood with detailed 1.6 liter engine, detailed interior, detailed suspension, Firestone HPR rubber tires, rear spoiler, and wheel flares. And there's pictures of the finished model, and it says model may be painted to match detailed pictures on box. To assemble this kit, you need plastic model cement. If you wish to paint this model kit, the following colors are recommended: gray, white, flat black, silver, and red. And let's look at the side panels of this box. This is, if you're looking for this kit, this is a Revell kit number 7317. This is out of production. This is a 1981 Revell kit when they were still based in California. Made in USA, printed in USA, rubber tires made in Japan. And let's see what we have in the box. Alright. We have the instructions, but I'll let you guys see those later. Let's look at the kit itself. We have a beautiful European Ford Escort body right here, waiting to be assembled. Molded in bright red, everybody's favorite. We have a tinted smoke tint glass, one piece, and you have, I think those are headlights or taillights, one of the two. Then we have a interior cup, which, as you can see, is very, very deep. Very detailed on interior wise. This is a manual shift car, so save the manuals. Plug in. We got some seats, some wheel backs, exhaust, and looks like a CV joints, axles all together there. We have a left-hand drive dashboard, wheel backs, and the front of the front seats. Okay, now for our next tree, we have detailed chassis. As you can see, it's very, very well detailed. Doesn't look like it was molded too many times. Then we have the suspension pieces, the iconic Escort rims right there, the air cleaner, engine parts, and radiator parts. And to show you the other side of those, see, there they are. Very good detail on the strut tires too, I gotta say. For being a front wheel drive car, very good detail on there. So we have the hood, back seat, mirrors, front bumper, and the rear spoiler, which what they said with the original cars of these, real cars, that would basically just get the fall apart after a while. And if you notice, the back seat actually has detail of seatbelts on there. So very good detail on that. And for loose parts, we have in the box, we have the other engine half right here of that 1.6 liter four-cylinder. We have two of these right here. Show you. There's the other one. And we have the tail lamps. Very simple. And here's another one. I was about 3 years old when this kit came out. Then we have those tiny little tires. Little tiny Escort tires. Good tread on those. Okay. And where's the last part? Oh yeah, the decals. These might need to be reprinted, but those are the original decals. It says Escort XR3. with the name badge for, looks like the back of it, pinstripe in there. So that always looks fun. Plus you have the decals for the interior seats, the trim on the seats. And yeah, let's take a look at the instructions now, how to build this. So we start off. So we got the decals, we have the interior going together, and with the decals on the seats automatically, starting with that. Then number two, you got basically the interior cup going onto the chassis. And we have the glass going in, and the glass in the body assembled. Then the body goes into the chassis and interior. Then the radiator goes in. Then the front and rear suspension wheels get put together and put on. Then the engine halves go together, along with the transmission and all those parts. Then all the suspension and exhaust and the engine gets dropped in. Then you have the simple hood going on, front grille, the rear spoiler, rear bumper. Then it's telling you the exhaust, and then it's telling you the decals placement, and get a finished car that looks like this. So thanks for watching Doug's Model Garage's videos, and have a good day, guys. All right, bye.